Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create another carpet design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go rectangle, rectangle, first corner point, select dimension, type 30, enter, again type 30, enter, click here. Okay, now copy, CO, enter, select object, base point, click here, exit, mirror, mi, enter, select object, mirror line, click here, enter, again mirror, select object, mirror line, enter. Okay, now copy, CO, enter, select object, enter, base point, click, exit, mirror, select object, mirror line, enter, mirror, select object, mirror line, click, enter. Okay, now go block B, enter, block name carpet design 2, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, parameters, base point, parameter linear, repeat linear, select distance 2 and distance 1 parameter, go properties, number of grips 1, value set, dist type increment, dist increment 30, enter, minimum distance 30, enter. Okay, again select distance 1, go properties, rename, width, enter, distance 2, select, go properties, rename, length, enter. Okay, now go actions, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select rectangle, enter, action, move, select parameter point, select object, enter, action, select parameter, select object, enter, between columns distance 30, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select rectangle, enter, action, move, select parameter point, select object, enter, action, array, select parameter, select object, enter, distance between column 30, enter. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see, select, stretch, Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.